He's a real, short.
Go. I'm filming.
Short, light action pole.
This is Anthony peeling a royal red shrimp. Alright, here he is. That's how you do it. How you doing, Anthony?
Good.
Getting the legs off.
There's a goldfish right there if you want to eat it.
Look at all that.
Oh, it looks beautiful.
You taking a video?
Yep.
This is the Anthony How to Peel Shrimp show.
Mm-hmm. Oh, look at you. That's a big, big shrimp.
I haven't seen one of those yet. A child's YouTube channel on how to eat seafood. That might work,
Would you like to put the tail?
You pinch it. Pinch it. Oh, almost. Yes, little practice. You'll get the meat in there too. That's great, Anthony.
Yeah, what was that?
Look at you.
Have them give a review.
Captions.
No, not interested. Staring at TV.
Yeah, I need to go back to Brady's the other day.
What do you think?
Well, commercial.
Stop. My teeth on that side.
Mm.
On the side wall, they've got like ridge bumps.
I think you like it. Do you like it?